Today we will discuss about hypothalamus and its hormones. To understand this, we must have a brief discussion about hypothalamus. To understand the hypothalamus better, we must know the answers of three questions like what is the hypothalamus, what is the location of hypothalamus, and the main function of hypothalamus. So, what is the location of hypothalamus? As we know, this is a brain. This all is a brain. So, brain is divided into the three parts: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. For forebrain, it is further divided into the cerebrum and diencephalon. This is a cerebrum. Say okay. This is also known as cortex. It is divided into the left hemisphere and right hemisphere and so on. So for diencephalon, it is divided into the two parts, thalamus and hypothalamus. Like this is a thalamus and this is thalamus and this is hypothalamus. So as we can say, like hypothalamus is a part of diencephalon, which is then part of a forebrain. For the location of hypothalamus, it is very easy to describe the location of hypothalamus. Like it, we can say it simply like it is below the thalamus and above the pituitary gland. This is thalamus. Hypothalamus is below the thalamus. Like this is thalamus, this is hypothalamus, and this is pituitary gland. It is below the thalamus and above the pituitary gland. So if we describe its location with respect to the lateral ventricle, we can simply say like here is a lateral ventricle. We can simply say it's make a floor and the lower part of the lateral wall of the third ventricle. So it's make the floor and lower part of the lateral wall of third ventricle. If we say if someone say what is the location of hypothalamus, we describe it very easily. It's below thalamus and above the pituitary gland. If someone say like describe the location of hypothalamus with respect to the third ventricle, we can say it makes the floor and the lower part of the lateral wall of the third ventricle. This is the location of hypothalamus. Until this, we discuss about what is the hypothalamus. It is a part of diencephalon, which is then a part of a forebrain, located below the thalamus and above the third pituitary gland. And to remember the function of the hypothalamus, in step 1 there is a very good mnemonic like 10 hat. T for thirst and water balance. If we know the hypothalamus, there is like if this is a hypothalamus, there is different nucleuses which either act on the organ directly or control the hormones of the pituitary gland. It release hormones which control the hormones of the pituitary gland. Like for the thirst, it has the ADH, control ADH, and ADH is a hormone which act on the nephron of collecting tube of the nephron in the kidney, and act on water balance. It's another topic. And A for either you can say it interior pituitary or adenohypophysis. Adenohypophysis is also interior pituitary is also known as adenohypophysis, and posterior pituitary is also known as neurohypophysis. So 10 is simple: T for thirst, A for adenohypophysis, and N for neurohypophysis. Adenohypophysis is interior pituitary and neurohypophysis is posterior pituitary. And for the head, it control hunger. It has lateral nucleus which has different hormones, like it control the sense of the hunger. And then we have A again, A for autonomic nervous system. Like this hypothalamus help us in the situation of fight and flight. It regulates different body function that can increase the heartbeat and slow the GIT and etc. 10 for T for thirst, A for interior pituitary, N for neurohypophysis, hat, H for hunger, A for autonomic nervous system, and T for it control the temperature body. It also control in the body thermoregulation and as for the sexual urge.